It's finally here! Yay! Let's see what's inside. I have only opened it. I haven't taken anything out yet, but here is what we got. Alright, we got some rims and tires in one piece. We've got 1, 2, 3, 6 numbered bags, some more tires, a little sticker sheet, and the instruction booklet. Very nice. It is about this thick, and yeah, I'm excited to get building. Off to part 1. End of step 1, and we've got our little Ayrton Senna with his trophy and helmet. Nice printed helmet and uniform on his stand. This is a sticker, not a print, but there are more prints to come. And then you build some of the structure of the vehicle here. It's pretty flat at the moment, but we got some, I'm guessing, engine detail. And this, I think, is maybe where the seat is going to go. Maybe some exhaust here. So a little bit of build going on. We got some like monster teeth. I'm not sure what these are originally, but kind of a cool little detail. And then on to step 2. Oh, by the way, it came with a green separator, which I have never gotten officially from LEGO. It's always been the orange one. So that's a nice addition to this kit as well. So, on to step 2. Okay, section 2 just finished, and where are we at? Well, we've got a car coming together. So I think I was right about this being the seat eventually, because more engine and suspension is going on back here. We've got a couple stickers. These are both stickers on both sides. We've got some nice detailing in here. This is the Italian flag. And the shape is coming together. Again, we got the suspension, which doesn't really move at all. So don't expect a lot of that. But, you know, it looks nice. I think this is just the rear. Yeah, this is obviously the rear. So no turning yet, but coming together, and step 3 is next. Here we go. So we have a full solid structure now. You get an idea of size. This is my hand compared to the model. We've got front and rear, so we've got steering that is ready to work with the steering wheel. That's not added yet. This piece here, a lot of people like to complain about, call it a bad print. Maybe it's the lighting, but I mean, it looks okay to me. I don't have any qualms with it, no problems here. Some cool pieces. We got some nice shiny silvery bits. And I've never seen these pieces in this color before, so I thought that was pretty cool and notable. And, you know, still putting together part 3, but just wanted to kind of add these little notes. We've got, again, some of the engine coming together. This is actually where this goes, right there. And yeah, putting things together. So catch you again soon. And another fun piece here, a sextant. I guess it's gonna go there, maybe the shift knob. Interesting use choice, but that is what that seems to be. So yeah, I thought that was interesting, clever use choice. Okay, on for more. Okay, end of stage 3, and what have we got? Basically a lot of body sheet building stuff. We've got the interior seat has been pretty built. Looks like a very nice, comfortable seat. But yeah, a lot of body panels, a front end here. Definitely coming together. I guess we're halfway done. I think I'm gonna savor the rest for tomorrow. But this is what the top looks like. This is what the bottom looks like, and I think I've heard this doesn't change too much. So very different from a full-on Technic model. We do have workable steering. It's a little hard to get to, but it does steer, as you can see. Yeah, so a nice little, definitely will be a nice display piece. I'm sure a nice little roller as well. But yeah, we'll finish the rest, or at least continue tomorrow. Catch you then. And we're back, day 2, section 4. I have not started yet, so this is what the end of section 3 looks like in better light. This thing still looks okay to me. We got some new parts to look at, and namely this printed clear piece. Tag here. Some nice clear pieces. Some more prints in here. Nice, nice. Oh, more prints. Nice. I think there's 2 of these. Oh, yeah, boy. Coming together. There it is. So excited for this one, but sad because we're already halfway done. It's just not big enough. But alas. Ayrton, we are getting your car ready, buddy. Okay, section 4 complete, and wow, we've got a front, we've got a rear, adjustable wing with the dual molded pieces, or 2 molded. I don't want to misspeak. This is another print here, and really print is, you know, that's why we call it awkward. Anyway, these are my extra pieces. This one's a little bigger than usual, so let me know in the comments if you had an extra one of these too. I checked the instructions and it wasn't anywhere beyond this piece here, so hopefully I didn't miss anything. But these were stickers, but the rest were prints. These were all prints, and it's really coming together, looking good. The next step involves the tires. So yeah, we're getting pretty close to done here, but it looks pretty nice. I'm very pleased, and on to the next step. Quick, before moving on though, I just wanted to give you a good look at the front, as you can see, and the rear, because it looks pretty cool, and you know, I just thought it was worth looking at. So yeah. The bottom, in case you were wondering, again, not very pretty, but nobody's gonna see much of that. So yeah, alright, on to step 5. Are we building a spaceship? No, it's the engine cover. Let's see. I don't think I'm doing this right. Maybe it's this way. Okay. Ta-da! Yay, look at that! Oh, and it comes off easily with one hand. Yeah. These were prints, but this little guy was a sticker. I feel like this could have been a print, probably. Anyway, yeah, this is how it goes on. Poof, and it probably fits better, but, you know, there we go. There we go. Hey. Not quite finished, but just wanted to show that spaceship. Okay, damn. This thing is pretty good. Again, we got working steering, and the steer's pretty good. This thing rolls like a dream, I gotta say. It can roll very, very far. The wheels look great. I don't mind that the rear tires aren't wider, although it would be cooler if they were. I guess some people are making some 3D prints. Maybe in the future someone will have molds that you can purchase. But this thing looks pretty good. For 80 bucks, I don't feel bad about this. I think it could be worth it. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. It's certainly a nice display. Looks good. Rolls nicely. This is fun to play with. Certainly fragile for young ones, but I mean, yeah, you could get a few of these and race them around. I think would be really cool. I'm pleased. I'm happy. This one may be one of the few Legos that is worth every penny. Yeah, pretty good stuff. So, there's still one more section, and I think it's just to build the podium so that it's displayed like so without my hand in the way. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. We got little mirrors, adjustable, and the steering. I'm definitely gonna see if he fits in his seat in a little bit. But yeah, fun times. Just too fast, it would be my only complaint. Took too quick to build, but very pleased. Yeah, building the stand now. Have you seen this piece before? I've never seen this piece before. Let me know. I don't know. Maybe I'm new back into Lego, but this looks like a new piece to me. Lots of new pieces in here. These little printed guys. Yeah, anyway. Okay, building the stand. Okay, the grand finale. This is the case. This is a sticker, not a print, so be careful with that. And then it goes on like so. And then it won't be able to roll around anymore. And then there's no more building to do. This is like the saddest moment ever. But, you know, whatever. I'm gonna stop and do this with two hands just to see what it looks like. And I'll be right back. Ooh la la, now we've got it displayed. Very cool. Yeah, it's a good display. You know, we like the angle, obviously. Yeah, it looks all nice all together like so. Since, you know, you're not playing with it very often, this is a nice little display. The other cars could certainly use something like this. Yeah, I don't hate it. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It's probably how I'll, you know, keep things. It does hold up the car very nicely. But yeah, this thing is fun to roll around. I want to see if this guy, if Ayrton is going to fit in the car. We'll be right back with that. Okay, he's in there. He looks happy. And he's sort of like in there. There's no like studs to keep him in place, but he fits nicely. He looks like he belongs. So that's cool. I might keep it like that. I like the minifigures doing what they're supposed to be doing. Hey, little guy. Oh, see, he's taking a nap. There he is, driving away. Look how happy he looks. And there it is. The Lego 10330 McLaren MP4 and Ayrton Senna. The whole thing. So let me know if your thoughts, your comments, your questions. I try to answer all of them. Not that I get that many since I'm still so small. But yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Also, real quick, how does it compare to the bigger Formula One Mercedes car, Technic? It's obviously a bit smaller. This is 1/13 scale, and this is 1/8 scale. So, definite size difference. But man, this thing rolls. This thing, yeah, it rolls too nicely. By the way, I swapped the old McLaren wheel covers. I think it looks pretty great. Yeah, it's a nice little addition to the collection. They have similar features. Yeah, this comes off along with this coming off. Look at that. Let's put these next to each other. Look at that. Cool. Yeah, I bet nobody's done this before. So, sorry, Ayrton. I've got my Technic guy in here. Remember these? Guys, they need to bring these back so bad. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice addition to the collection. Thought that was a fun little bit to show. Yeah, okay, now I'm really going this time, so sweet goodbye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Okay, this is really the last time. PPS here. I just wanted to show we've got these new pieces. And, you know, they act like suspension, but they don't actually move. You can, you know, put some pressure on it, and it kind of looks like it's rolling and bumping. but it's not made like a real suspension like this bad boy is. This is made to do it. This not really, but it does give a little bit of flex. Hopefully not too much. And yeah, another thing they mentioned is how low to the ground this bad boy is, and it is very low. As low as this guy, I guess. Yeah, they're both pretty equally low. So again, just really cool. Okay, really this is the final time. See you later, bye.